just to tick me off? Or is it because you're just really insecure?
I am not insecure, needy. God, that's a joke. How could I ever be insecure? I was the snowflake queen.
Yeah. 2 years ago when you were socially relevant.
I am still socially relevant.
And when you didn't need laxatives to stay skinny.
I am going to eat your soul and shit it out, Nikki!
Thought you only murdered boys. I go both ways.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked my little reenacting the pool scene from Jennifer's Body pretending to be Jennifer Jack. If you want to know how I recreated this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to use my Biotique Morning Nectar Moisturizing Lotion because my skin feeling dry lately because it's almost winter. Gonna rub that all over my face, then take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer to prime and prep my face. Jennifer looks flawless in this even if she's a demon. So we need that base. Then for the foundation, I'm gonna take the LA Pro Girl coverage in the shade Porcelain because she's dead, she's pale, and yeah, she's like dead. So I'm gonna make myself pale and hungry by the end of the video. Don't forget to bring the foundation to your neck so that the whole look looks the same, and not even if you take pictures or something, it doesn't feel like different. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm going to take that to my neck, my ears, a little to the back of my neck, and also around my shoulder area. Then I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder to set that all out. I mean, have you guys watched this movie yet? Please let me know if you did. Then for our dead eyes, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Flawless Palette. Use the dark shade of brown for the under eye and lower lash line. I'm gonna drag that down to my dark circles and intensify it so it looks dead. Then for the lid, I'll use a lighter shade. As I told, I'll take a lighter shade, then I'll put it all over my lid so that she looks like she didn't sleep and she's starving. I mean, I don't know. Then I'm gonna pop on some lens. These are from Fresh Look Lens in Sterling Grey because Megan Fox has these pretty light blue lens. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes. Use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara to open up my eyes with them fluffy lashes. I mean, I need the fluffy look. Then yeah, I'm gonna use a darker shade, like the darkest brown shade from the same Flawless palette. Yeah, and I'm gonna do my brows after this. Like, look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna take the darkest shade and with an angled brush, of course, overline them and fill in the sparse gaps. She has these like sleek dark brown eyebrows in the scene, so I wanted to do obviously dark brown. Just gonna fill them in, make them like sleek and bushy. Then for the flushed look, I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution blush palette and flush my cheeks with the blush because she looks really flushed in this scene, like real flushed. She's too pale and flushed, like a dead person. Then contour a little. I'll just contour my face just a little bit. I'm gonna use the blush a lot, but not the contour. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution contour palette and then contour a little, just a little, not too much. For the lips, I'm using Maybelline Color Show Intense Crayon in Bold Burgundy for a dark red base for the lip, which gives me a smooth base to work with for such looks like the Halloween and like the bloody lips. You know what I mean? The bloody lips, you need a dark red lip base so that you can work your way with the other elements like lipsticks or lip glosses, the other lip glosses. I'm just gonna use this crayon for my base. And then I'm gonna take, I don't know what I don't even remember the name of this, I mean brand name for this gloss, so for such looks. And then I'm gonna take this lip gloss for I don't know where, I'm sorry. Then it should look slimy, I mean slimy. Then I'm gonna use my Sugar Sponge Mineral Liquid Lipstick in 10 Drop Dead Red for the intensive maroonish shade. Then I'm going to set my face with NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Let it dry for a minute. And then take the same brush with which I applied the crayon. And I'm going to smudge my lips. Like smudge, because all over my mouth area to give that vampy effect. Because I mean Jennifer was eating a boy, for God's sake. Done. I'm going to quickly change into my outfit, for which I'm gonna need sleeves, so which I'm gonna take my dad's socks and then I'm gonna chop them, like chop the end part, wear them as gloves. Yeah. And I'm gonna wet my hair. I bought this choker from Amazon, which is similar to what Jennifer was wearing. And then I'm gonna wet my hair. Give this illusion of me coming straight out of pool. So far so good. I also got this, the fake blood from Amazon, which is like okayish, not that great because its consistency is very liquidy. I mean for this costume it worked, but for a night out with Halloween costumes it wouldn't work because it drips off. Yeah, and I'm gonna wet my hair again. So there's something in this movie, and the character of Jennifer intrigues me. The movie was made for women, by the women, and in this male dominant industry, and it was bashed so badly that it did poor at the box office just because there was no skin show. If the movie was released in the recent years, it would have been a huge success. I mean, they would have gotten so much support and appraisal. I love the movie whatsoever. I'm a movie buff. If you are too, then watch the movie because I want you to. Following are some articles about the movie which are very true. This movie is deep beyond the horror and revenge. I hope you guys like the way I recreated this look. If then, yes, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment below. That does actually motivate me to make more videos. And then don't forget to hit the bell icon to make sure you won't miss the next time I post. Until then, bye bye.